roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things.
हम सब हाथ मिलाए, दिल से दिल तक राह बनाए, राह बनाए। हम सब हाथ मिलाए, दिल से दिल तक राह बनाए, राह बनाए।
Children having discussion about pollution and environmental degradation.
Today, we will discuss about environmental degradation. We are all global citizens and we need to abide by sustainable development goals. So, Abhinav, tell us about what are environmental degradation.
Environmental degradation is the deterioration of environment caused by the deterioration of resources including soil, water and air, the loss of ecosystem and the extinction of wildlife.
Yes, you are right. Now, what are the contributors to pollution and depletion of ozone layer? Yes, Arj?
The main contributors to environmental degradation includes modern and others are population expansion and deforestation.
Yes, unplanned urbanization and industrialization have contaminated the air, water and sound system. The air is additionally polluted by the smoke produced by automobiles and industries, which includes nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide and chlorofluorocarbon. What is the way forward, students? Yes.
Yes, grandfather.
How was your day?
It was fine.
Hey grandfather, see this poster that has been given by our school. Lovely posters, children. Do you know about sustainable development? No. Can you tell about us? The 17 Sustainable Development Goals, referred to as SDGs, and 169 targets are part of a transformative agenda. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, adopted by 193 member states at the UN General Assembly, submitted in September 2015, and which came into effect on 1st January 2016. At the core of this global agenda is the principle of universality.
Tick, tick, tick. कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो तो संभल ना हम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा अगर सुन लो तो संभल ना हम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा कि दर्द रहे धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है ना हो हाथों में आज है मौका ये अपना दबाए कसम ये खाए रे
Greetings to all. I am Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Thank you.
Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi led the fight for the Indian nationalism.
Greetings to all. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Arts provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greeds. Thank you.
Martin Luther King Jr. was an American activist and humanitarian who became the leader of the African American civil rights movement. Similar to Mahatma Gandhi, King became known for advancing civil rights through non-violent civil disobedience. King went on to help organize the 1963 March on Washington, where he famously delivered his iconic "I Have a Dream" speech.
Greetings to all. I am Martin Luther King Jr. Darkness King.
Roman Catholic nun. In 1950, she founded the Missionaries of Charity in Calcutta, India, a religious congregation that is currently active in more than 130 countries. In her work with the Missionaries of Charity, she cared for the poor, sick, orphan and dying. The Missionaries of Charity gradually expanded beyond India and in 2012 consisted of more than 4,500 sisters operating in 133 countries.
Greetings to all. I am Mother Teresa. Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Dalai Lama being awarded a Nobel Peace Prize in 1989. The 14th Dalai Lama, Tenzin Gyatso, is listed among the great leaders of the world. He was born on 6 July 1935 to a farming family in a small town in Tibet. For more than 50 years, he has been tirelessly campaigning for peace, non-violence and democracy.
Greetings to all. I am Dalai Lama. My religion is very simple. My religion is kindness. Thank you. Gautam Buddha, also known as Siddhartha Gautam or Lord Buddha, is often regarded as a founder of Buddhism. His followers are referred to as Buddhists. He is also commonly called as Buddha, which means an enlightened one, having attained the freedom from the state of sufferings and ignorance, having attained the state of nirvana.
मैं गौतम बुद्ध। अगर आप सच में खुद से प्यार करते हैं तो आप कभी भी किसी को दुख नहीं पहुंचा सकते।
Wangari Maathai was born on 1st April 1940. Is a Kenyan social, environmental and political activist. She founded the Green Belt Movement, an environmental, non-governmental organization that focused on planting trees, women's rights and environmental conservation. In 2004, she became the first African woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize.
Greetings to all. I am Wangari Maathai. The future of the planet concerns all of us and all of us should do what we can to protect it. As I told the foresters and the women,
You don't need a diploma to plant a tree. It is the little things citizens do. That's what will make the difference. My little thing is planting trees.
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात वो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र दो। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी? ये पापियों को हक नहीं कि लें परीक्षा तेरी, कि लें परीक्षा तेरी। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है। जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है, जला के भस्म कर उसे जो क्रूरता का जाल है। तू आरती की लौ नहीं, तू क्रोध की मशाल है, तू क्रोध की मशाल है। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कपकपाएगा। चुनर उड़ा के ध्वज बना, गगन भी कपकपाएगा। अगर तेरी चुनर गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा, एक भूकंप आएगा। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।
दीवारें ऊंची है, गलियां है तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग। पाँव पे छाले हैं, सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मोर मेरे खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर भी हो गए भंग। जमाना चले ना चले मेरे संग, बोलूंगी हल्ला आवाज दबंग। बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। छोटे जिस्म पर मरहम उमंग, लाश नहीं हूँ मन जिंदा पतंग। दिल में उम्मीदें और खुशियों के रंग, हर आंसू बनेगा एक नई तरंग। हाँ बेखौफ आजाद है बहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है बहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे। दीवारें ऊंची है गलियां हैं तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग। पाँव पे छाले है सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग। बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे।
Think about the generation and say that we want to make it a better place for our children and our children's children, so that they know it's a better world for them and think if they can make it a better place.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. There are dreams, we stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. Make a better world, make a better world. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for living, make a better place for you and for me. their swords.
Please appreciate the children for their efforts.
We could really get there if you cared enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place.
We would request you to appreciate our little children and their efforts.
The entire human race.
Children, devote hundreds of lives from darkness to light. Let us all express solidarity with our children. मुझे जाने चाहिए, मजा नहीं आता है. This is the end of Heal the World, an endeavor by the students of St. Hemar Jaipuria School, Patrona. Parents, अगर हम अपनी धरती को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो शायद आने वाले दिनों में हमें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा.